Hey guys, I'm Crafty Nanny from Tennessee and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make these really cute Mod Podge eggs, and then we're also going to take some eggs and we're going to cover them in fabric. For the third project, we're going to make butterflies out of Skittles. So without any further ado, let's get to craft. What you will need for the 2 egg crafts are some plastic eggs, some ribbon, string or twine, fabric, napkin, Mod Podge. For the butterfly, Skittles candy, wiggly eyes, pipe cleaners, clothespins, glitter, optional item, drill, a drill bit, and a hot glue gun. The first project that we're going to do will be the Mod Podge eggs. First thing that I do is I drill 2 holes in the lid of the egg. So we'll go ahead and do that first. So there you have it. Now that we've drilled our holes, we can go ahead and put our twine through. Now this is only if you plan on hanging these eggs up either outside or in your home. Otherwise, you can skip this step altogether and don't put any holes in it and just use the Mod Podge, completely coat them and cover them up. Hide treats inside, and the kids will actually have to break the seal just to get the goodies out. I put my twine through the hole, and then I'm just going to tie it from this on the inside. So the next step is going to be actually to Mod Podge. Check your napkins because sometimes they're 2-ply. This one was 2-ply. I've already taken that piece off. I like to start at the top and work my way around. Now hang to dry. Our second craft project is going to be the fabric egg, probably the fastest and the easiest. Set your egg down in the center, flip it upside down, try to equally gather, tie ribbon around it. The third and final craft that we're going to do today is the butterfly. Kind of separate your Skittles into 2 sides. Try to be as even as you can because these are the wings. Fold your pipe cleaner in half, twist it at the back. Now, if you liked this video, or if you know anybody that could benefit from the instructions on this video for any of these projects, give us a thumbs up. We always appreciate that support. Also, share it with anybody that you think might like it as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you would like to be notified every time I do an upload, make sure that you ring that bell.